Samsung is officially adding its life-saving feature to the Galaxy S24 series. In addition to having one of the greatest and brightest screens on any smartphone, two fantastic AI capabilities with One UI 6.1, and maybe the highest performing and most efficient smartphone chip. All of these features are amazing, and they are coming to the S24 series, but there is one feature that is equally exciting and possibly life-saving that is finally coming to the S24 range, as announced by Samsung officially. The CEO of Samsung's System LSI division, Park Young, has officially confirmed that the S24 series will have two-way satellite connectivity for emergency situations. For those who are unaware, this will allow users to send and receive messages in locations where there is no cellular connectivity. The iPhone 14 range was the first smartphone series to incorporate this in a one-way communication style. Samsung is certainly late to the game, but they do feature two-way satellite connectivity, which means you can send and receive messages in emergency scenarios. This is a significant Galaxy S24 feature that will most certainly be included with the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Z Fold 6 next year. Along with this official confirmation, we have another official news from Samsung themselves. The same CEO of the System LSI has mentioned that Samsung is bringing the Exynos 2500 based on 3nm architecture next year, which means we'll see this on the S25 series next year, as the CEO was very confident in the GPU performance of the Exynos 2400 this year. He said, and I agree, that the Exynos 2400 would perform well since it has superior GPU capabilities than rivals. With the formal debut, we may see some surprises, but generally, the Exynos 2400 does not seem to be a poor chip as feared. Samsung is relying heavily on its AMD GPU, which is coming with this new chip, as well as state-of-the-art generative AI capabilities akin to the 8 Gen 3 chip. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.